Okay, he's working. See how dirty the balcony is?
Yeah, guys. Somebody sent me a gift so I can wash my balconies off. They really need it, man. So somebody sent me a gift, which I'm very happy about.
Here's the box.
Oh shit, man, it's a box in a box.
It's a box in a box. Oh my god. What the flippin' colorful.
Yo. Ooh, it's a heavy little bugger.
Don't drop it.
It's a power washer, my friends.
It looks like one of those Gladius things. Got a handle on it. Flippin' flies. Damn, you got enough power wire?
Really nice.
It's electric.
Yeah, electric power washer.
It's a Sunjo.
Got enough wiring on it, that's for damn sure.
Turn it around. There's the hose of it. For the intake, should say. There. Here's your thing for shampooing and all the rest of that fun stuff.
Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna have to
Read the instructions.
reassemble this.
What? Read the instructions? We don't read instructions.
And
Ooh, the gun part.
yes, sir. I'd like to thank the person who sent this to me. Very, very much appreciated. All the connections. I'm gonna have fun, or we're gonna have fun putting this together. Right, Kim?
You said the "we" word.
Yeah. And this is the different spray nozzles for the different kind of spray you want. And the hose, man, that's a thick hose. Very nice indeed. That goes on the gun. And how to put it together. So,
Far out.
we're gonna have fun this afternoon.
This afternoon?
Yeah, well, it's evening.
This evening? Yeah, like hell.
Oh, that's.
Sunjo. Well, it's easy to figure out. On, off. Kind of looks like one of those submarine thingies, doesn't it?
Thank you so much. Much appreciated. Well, we're gonna.
Got a we. You keep saying that we. There is no. There is no we in I.
Okay, thank you so much, everybody. And don't forget to do the comment and hit that like button. Yeah, I've been doing some flying this afternoon, bugging the crap out of Kim. And Kim did the lawn today, which looks really nice.
Beautibus.
And the big haying was done today. Kip
feel...
did the haying today with the lawnmower. There you go.
Oh yeah, that would take me an eternity. That tractor would be dead by the time I finished.
Okay, guys.
Okay, everyone. Bless you all. You take care now. Thank you very much again for the power washer. Awesome. Roger's gonna have fun with that.
And Roxy says hi. Right, Roxy? Yay. Say hi.
Okay, everyone. Bless.